Good morning. I'm being naughty. I'm sharing my yogurt with Brim because she really wanted some. I just let you have a little bit off the top. That's it. That's all you're getting. I'm sorry, but yeah. Oh God, I look tired. Merry Christmas. Today is a very Christmassy day. I'm going to the Nutcracker with Evie and a friend. We're going to enjoy just like a Christmassy weekend tomorrow. If it doesn't rain too terribly, we're also going to go to a German Christmas market. And yeah, I'm very excited. I've got a couple of Christmas candles going. I've got the tablecloth on. It just looks very Christmassy in my house. I'm very happy with it. I've got cookies ready for her, some candy in that bowl. That's right. We're doing Christmas right in my house. But yeah, basically, because Evie can't come home for Christmas, this is going to be kind of like our Christmas together. And then I will go and enjoy Christmas with my family. Next weekend, oh my goodness, my whole face. But yeah, I'm excited. Nutcracker, first time going to the Nutcracker in this state. When Evie and I lived in Korea together, we would go to the Nutcracker that was just like a city over from where we lived, and it was always such a magical experience. So I'm excited to see if this Nutcracker is anywhere as good as that one. Yeah, it's a beautiful crisp day. Katie, I'm struggling. Evie will be here in about 20 minutes, so I'm just eating breakfast and watching Christmas in the Cotswold Vlogmas and other Vlogmases that I follow every year. I found Josie, I think last Christmas or the Christmas before, and I just love her stuff. Like, she's obviously rich, okay, but she lives in the Cotswolds in like this Victorian old house outside of a castle. Like, it's really cool, so I enjoy watching her content because of that. She's got cute little dogs and a husband, and it just like is a dream world that she lives in, and I live vicariously through her vlogs. So I'm enjoying that. I'm going to probably watch a couple other Vlogmases. I was not able to do Vlogmas this year just because of my work schedule. Like, I would not have had the time to record and edit every single day. So I'm probably only going to do 2 videos this month, and I kind of am sad because I really did enjoy doing Vlogmas last year. It kept me awake, it kept me going and staying up past 5 p.m. But on the other hand, I'm kind of enjoying sleeping earlier this year, like letting myself hibernate a little bit. It's been nice. But we're not doing that this weekend. So yes, it is only almost 9:30. I'm going to finish my yogurt really quickly, and then when Evie arrives, the day will begin. For my thank you, Merry Christmas. I gave her stocking.
Yes, I'm going to open it here. I just had to let everyone know I'm alive.
Oh, I'm not going to show it because everyone is getting the same thing, so. We're ready, but we're ready too early. So, here we are.
Oops.
Fancy in my house.
Oh my God.
There we go, friction on a little bit. All right. So we're gonna play around with oracle cards and pass time until it's time to go. Why did we do this? I don't know. We got excited. But this is my outfit. Apparently I'm goth, if you didn't know. I just like black. All right, this is the full fit. You can't see me in the mirror, dang. Yay! Let's go, ballet! Here we are, walking to the ballet. Everyone hates me, and that's fine. Just annoyed. People are annoyed with my presence.
Margaret Atwood doesn't.
Margaret Atwood might be here. We don't know, but like it looks suspiciously almost like identical to Margaret Atwood.
She's doppelganger, and I'm freaked out. Come here.
I mean, like, who's to say we aren't at the ballet with Margaret Atwood? I'm gonna say we are.
Nobody can fact check this.
So we got the Muppet Christmas Carol. Oh, that was perfect timing. Muppet Christmas Carol going on, which is arguably the best version of the Christmas Carol. I personally feel like everyone can get behind the Muppet Christmas Carol. This is the one. So is the Mickey Christmas Carol second or the Looney Tunes Christmas Carol second?
The Loonies.
You've never seen the Looney Tunes Christmas Carol?
I don't know that it's not. I don't know that it's never, but I don't remember it, which means I don't watch it every year. So if you're asking me personally, obviously it would have to then be Mickey's second because I don't watch Looney Tunes. I don't know. That's not a great reason, but that's the reason I have. Shut up.
Okay. I think personally that the Mickey's Christmas Carol, for people who have never seen A Christmas Carol or read the books, would be good second. Mm-hmm. But for people who have read the book and know A Christmas Carol by heart, then it's the Looney Tunes. Are we gonna have to find the Looney Tunes one next?
Apparently, because I don't remember this.
I feel like
in the dredges of my memory, it's somewhere in there, but I don't remember it.
This is my opinion, and like take it for what it
is.
It's my opinion. But I feel like the Looney Tunes do more tongue-in-cheek in regards to the characters that are in A Christmas Carol. Kind of similar how, not even like, they don't do tongue-in-cheek, they actually just play Muppets that are in A Christmas Carol in this. Whereas the Looney Tunes are doing tongue-in-cheek about the characters.
My brain is bringing up Animaniacs.
They had a version of It's a Wonderful Life.
That's what's popping in my brain. I literally cannot picture the Looney Tunes version. Who plays Scrooge?
Daffy Duck. I'm telling you, it's good. Why are you looking at me like I cast it and I did it wrong?
No, I have no memory of Daffy Duck playing Scrooge.
But it's like in an office setting. And so like he's in like this big office and it's like, I guess for that time, 1990s modern time. Grim's playing with her toys and it's very cute.
She growled at it.
She growled at it?
Well, she made a noise.
Can you play with your toy? The holly one and the spring are her favorite. Claim that's mine.
What do I think of? What are you gonna do, huh?
I think that the Mickey Christmas Carol is kind of like the watered down version of A Christmas Carol. It's very much like, this is what happened really fast.
That's why I like it. Sometimes I don't have the attention span for the full story. I just need like the highlights.
Do you ever feel weird that Scrooge McDuck eventually became an actual character in that universe?
Just stuck.
Did you put it there?
No, I threw it. It's stuck. Anyway, say that again.
Do you ever feel weird that Scrooge McDuck from A Christmas Carol became a main character in that universe? And so when they did DuckTales, woo, he's Uncle Scrooge still in there too. Yeah. But and then he's also in the DuckTales movie as Uncle Scrooge.
But they time warp. It's a different time period.
And he's like in a lot of their Christmas movies. Like he was in the House of Mouse one. He played Uncle Drosselmeyer.
Oh yeah.
And then he was in Mickey's Once Upon a Christmas when they go to Donald Duck's house and the three little boys wish it was Christmas every day.
Maybe they just really enjoyed using his accent.
I don't know, but like they went from Scrooge as a character in The Christmas Carol to now he's a part of the universe. Do you feel weird about that?
I didn't do it, so I don't feel weird about it.
I feel weird about that because like it's an actual literary character that they turned into a duck and now he's a part of the Mickey Mouse world.
Yeah, but you're also talking about a duck.
But he's Scrooge.
And the duck version of Scrooge. So like at the same time, is it plausible? Sure. You're duck.
No. Okay, riddle me this, Batman. How come the other characters in that show are who they are in the other movies, but they don't carry anyone over from that storytelling except for Scrooge?
Because his accent was that good. Oh, my back hurts.
I find it just a little bit interesting, okay?
You're allowed.
This is a theory that I need to come up with. This is something that Ethan would actually like come up with theory for. I should ask him what theory he has for this.
Sure, let's ask Cast Iron Man what he thinks.
Cast Iron Joe? Steve?
Oh, Joe, no, Joe.
Was
no.
it Joe?
It was Joe. Cast
You
Iron
sure it
Joe.
wasn't Steve? Cast Iron Steve?
Girl, I don't remember yesterday. I don't know.
Sorry, I don't remember either. I'm gonna check on the blog.
Go.
It's the next day. Woo! We went to bed because we were tired, and she still has not seen the Daffy Duck version of A Christmas Carol. So
I feel like I have to.
You have to, because you gotta at least know. You gotta at least know. Anyway, we're gonna go to a Christmas market, and then we're gonna go Christmas shopping, and we're probably doing Christmas shopping at the Christmas market. But the whole point we're going to the Christmas market is the food.
Raclette.
Now we gotta get some raclette. My house looks so cluttered this season, and that really bothers me. But I went from a 2-bedroom down to a 1-bedroom, and so
Things are everywhere.
things are everywhere. Yeah. But it's okay. We'll eventually get decluttered. I'm going to turn off the fireplace really quickly. And we shall venture off into... It's foggy out, so it's very Christmassy.
It's creepy Christmas.
It's crumpusy.
Crumpusy.
It's crumpusy.
That's like too close to something else.
Okay.
Got it? What's the second half of that?
Why are you making this into? Obviously, I'm actually around people who actually are respectful.
No, I'm around like 18 to 20-year-olds most of my day.
Yeah.
And they love turning everything dirty.
Yeah, no. I definitely am around very respectful human beings. I'm gonna grab a protein bar.
Good idea. Because I'm always sick.
Thank you. All right. I probably should also have taken vitamin C. My anxiety is too high for this. Okay, jacket. It's probably not too terribly cold, but
It's 50 degrees.
that's not that bad. I'll be fine. Okay. Oh, should I bring water? We're in the sea, about to go to the harbor.
Not
Get
too bad
cold.
today. It's very foggy, and it is kind of cold, but the wind is not bad.
Yeah.
It's close to the harbor already, so.
I really thought that last year was so bad.
It was so freezing
So cold.
I remember my fingers just like being like red.
Yeah. This year, thankfully, we paid for parking ahead of time and it was open. So that we could just go straight there. And it's right across from the harbor. So I bet all of these parking spaces are the ones that they found so that they are offering it to the people who want to go to the market. That's nice.
Oh, maybe.
That is nice of them.
Oh, we can go.
Nice. We'll see how long I last.
Have the whole set.
Yay! You got a full boot, a pair of boots at home.
Well, I don't
That's
have
so
the.
great.
I have the mug.
Oh, you got
I
the
have
mug last year?
And now the
I got the boot last year.
I like the mug. It's kind of like the perfect size for like a quick little coffee.
Inside.
This is just gonna be a decoration after this, probably.
Yeah,
Ridiculous.
so I put that on my coffee cart and I put stuff in it as like a cute little Christmas ornament. Yeah.
It says the authentic German Christmas market.
Oh, it's so cute. Let me see.
Oh, sorry. Let me cover it up for you.
Yeah, thanks. You don't
I'm
know how
not
to
a
make
blogger.
content.
I don't know.
You don't know how to make content. Ooh.
Where did you go there last year?
I did. That's where I got Ethan his present. Get over here. So even though I didn't get the special cup, it still has like a little Christmassy scene on there.
That's cute.
That's nice. That's nice. How's your raclette?
Molto bene. I mean, what's French?
It's fun.
What's good
Bon.
in French?
Bon.
Bon. What's
Très
very good?
bon.
Très bon. Très bon.
Oh, I love this for you. This would look so cute and just like in your bedroom.
Oh my god. He's like a donut.
He's so cute.
Look at this guy.
It's a plague nurse.
It's a little bit.
A little cute little plague nurse. I want a cute Christmas plague doctor. The plague nurses are fine,
Doctor?
but yeah, they're black. Oh, look at the Santa Claus.
I do like this.
Yeah.
I love it.
Oh, plague nurse.
Oh no. I like the pigments.
I love it. The cows are cute. The what?
I would not get
Oh,
in this
yeah. Some people are really into that, though. Oh my god. Is that a Grim Reaper? What is he? Is he a... What is that? It's got a name.
Thank you. So this guy's 34, and then the knee. Yes, he will be.
Mini lich.
Some form of folklore. I don't know. Oh, there's the plague doctors. They're over there. So cute. That's really cool. We are back. And it's time to binge watch Christmas movies. Chill with my little fuzzball. Just have a holly jolly holiday.
The night before Christmas, and all through the house. Oh wait, different story, but we'll still see a mouse.
Oh, I saw like 2 earring mirrors, yeah.
Here to witness a miracle. Graham is laying voluntarily on blankets. She hates blankets. She does not trust them. She always thinks there's something under them that will get her. And she crawled up there. She made herself a little bed. And she's just content. Very proud of you, Graham. Very proud of you, baby. Yeah. Evie has gone home. I'm exhausted if you can't see it in my eyes. I'm gonna make some tea, take a shower, and then I'm going to bed, to be honest with you. But thanks for watching. It was a fun weekend. See you next time.